Hi everyone, I have an exciting unboxing. So I have received the Creative Memories National Scrapbooking Day kit and I can't wait to show you. You are going to love this. It's going to be available for customers to order, I believe February 23rd. But anyway, I really think you're going to love these papers. It's going to be very spring-like, and I know that everybody loves the chickens and the farm kind of scene, and we've got gorgeous sunflowers, and who doesn't love sunflowers? Especially right now, I am in North Carolina, and it is the worst winter ever with snow and freezing rain and all that kind of stuff. I'm going to grab my paper here. Okay, I never know where I'm going to find it. All right, so anyway, this, I have two. So I bought two. This is the Advisors exclusive, but it's going to be a lot of the same things that are going to be available for customers. Woohoo! So these are some of the Advisor specials that I am going to, exclusive, that I am going to be giving away at, like, whenever I do my crops on my National Scrapbook Day. I'll do a little goodie giveaways. Let me put these all aside and we'll look at everything. Now this is, I don't know if you realized for a little bit, the repositional jumbo tape runner was out of stock, but it is back in stock. So if you need one of these, go ahead and order it now. This is, we're going to really look at this, the decorative border punch for the National Scrapbook Day. Like I said, I have two of everything, but let's just go ahead and pull it out and then really look at everything. I'm going to keep this flipped over. I hope the other one is too. Yes, because wait till you see the front of this album. And then we have our goodies. National Scrapbook Day 2026 Project Bundle. And I'm just going to push this aside because it's the exact same thing. All right, who's excited? Let's see. Honestly, like, I think that we're all ready for spring, and I think this is just going to do the trick for us. Bring some sunshiny kind of crafting to our lives. I love these boxes too. I can reuse them for sure. Woo! So I'll tell you what, before we go through all this, let me reveal the front of this album cover. Don't you love it? It's gorgeous. So I just love this. Beautiful. That was one of the things that really sold me on this kit. Then we have our ephemera pieces. We have border pieces. We're going to go through all these. And then we have our I can't think of a word today. Matte packs. We have our matte packs. We have our project guidebook. And then we've got our cardstock, told you I can't talk, cardstock samples. You get 2 beige, 2 blue, 2 canary, 2 caramel, and 2 songbird blue. We're going to look at those. That's the songbird blue on top there. Then we've got, I got the one of our simple page kits. So this is your National Scrapbook Day project recipe for a simple page kit. Got your cutting marks on there. Since we're to the papers, that's what I wanted to go through first. Let's go ahead and look at these. And you can see your project recipe there and how you'll cut your papers. Okay, so we have got our beautiful, we got our chickens, our hens, the little chicks are in there with them. Look at the little babies. And then that's on the back. So we get 2 of these. Oh, look at those sunflowers. Then you get 2 pages of sunflowers. And on the back is this yellow checkered. It's yellow and white checkered pattern. I don't know if you can tell. I'm trying to hold it so it doesn't show, the other pattern doesn't show through, but so that you can see the checkered pattern there. Ooh, look at that. Pretty blues and greens and beige. So I can see why the beige cardstock goes with it. Then we got blues with little flowers. Cute. And then, oh, this also comes. That's right, you do get some cardstock with that one. So you've got the canary yellow and then the songbird blue with that kit. So that's what you would get. And then these stickers with the simple page kit. We've got homegrown memories, life in full bloom. I told you we're going to get ready for spring. Got a little bee and a ladybug. Feathered friends. Isn't that cute? Sweet life, little chick. And then you got your border there. Some eggs. Those are nice. And then we've got our designer paper pack. I loved this one when they did the reveal with us. So let's look at these. And these could definitely just be spring papers. And they say the coordinating cardstock with these is tangerine, solar yellow, avocado. I still have some avocado, blue, regular blue, and caramel. I still have some caramel too. Those are from my gingerbread that I did. Oh, look at that. So we've got, it's almost gingham. I would call that, it's probably gingham. Oh, pretty. Pretty, pretty. And of course you could cut these strips and they could make nice borders. I really like this paper. Really, really like it. Then we got beehives there, or like a honeycomb, beehives, like, you know, the honeycombs. Oh, got little chicks and chicks. Sunflowers. This page sold me on the whole kit. Love it, love it. Because I think I'm going to make a mini album too. And you could do that on a mini album and that. Yes. Oh, look at these. I guess this would be tangerine, wouldn't it? Oh, beautiful. Look at those two together. That is gorgeous. Sunflowers and butterflies and bees, and then just this, try to get closer to the camera there so you can see those that subtle print of sunflowers on their pattern. Very beautiful. Let's look at, okay, so let's go ahead and we can open the cardstock and you can see how well this is going to coordinate with it. Oop. Like I said, I already have some of these colors, but probably not enough. And I hope my camera isn't zooming in and out as I'm moving around. I apologize if it is. I hate when it does that. Okay, so we've got our songbird blue. That's our pretty light blue, and you get 2 of those in the sample pack. And then, of course, if you want to get a whole pack of these, you get 10 for $10 if you want to get a cardstock pack. So there's your songbird blue. Let's look at this with, where was that one? So that would be pretty with that one. A lot of them would be pretty together. Let's see. Well, not exact. Oh, that's good. That's pretty. Okay, then we have our caramel. And I'm thinking, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Even, I think, let me see. It's kind of pretty too. Okay, and then we've got our canary yellow. And I have this. I made the Delicious Memories. It's like a culinary one. And it coordinates with the canary yellow. And then we've got our regular blue. And I'm thinking this blue will go definitely with this one. Oh, isn't that pretty? Doesn't it remind you of spring? It does me. It just really makes me think about spring, and I am ready for it. And then we've got our beige, and of course beige will go with any of them. There was a little bit of beige in there. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, let's look. Let me move this out of the way. Goodness, I could have had a better background there. Let's look at our little photo mats. Or well, really you could use the mats for anything. National Scrapbook Day 2026. A beautiful day. Just be happy. Heart of the garden. Sunflower state of mind. Oh, so pretty. I can't wait to put some things together. How about you? Very pretty. Sweet days and sunshine. I'm ready for some of that. Backyard bliss. Oh. Among the wildflowers. Homegrown happiness. Happiness blooms here. Sunshine in my soul. The flock that plays together stays together. Cute. Nice. If you like gardening, that'd be a pretty Mother's Day on a pretty Mother's Day card, wouldn't it? Oh, look at that. That is so cute. Buzzing with joy. Flock together, laugh together. Joy in the little things. Fresh air and feathered friends. Oh, so cute. I'm just loving this whole kit. And now we got our borders. And of course, we still have to look at our border punch too. Okay. I believe you get 2. Oh, yeah. Yeah, 2 of these. Oh, pretty. Very pretty. Like it, like it. And then our lovely sunflowers. Who doesn't love sunflowers? So bright and sunny. Are y'all having weather your way? I mean, everybody has weather, but are you having bad weather your way? Are y'all having snow? It's just, and cold. Awful. Then we've got our embellishments. Let's look at our embellishments here. Oh, lovely. Our hen house. Click, yeah, we're, cluck, yeah, we're together. Oh, gosh. And then our picket fence. Of course, we have our picket fence punch, too. That would be good for border punch. It's in the border maker. Oh, I love that. Of course, these will make, you can really layer some of these. Got our sunflower there. Our chicks. Getting a worm. She's got a worm. All cooped up and loving it. I'm not really loving being cooped up right now, I gotta say. Oh, so you get 2 of these. That's nice. Flowers, butterfly, eggs in a nest, sunflower. Oh, there she is with her little chicks. And these are nice, got a really nice weight to them, and they are 3D. A lot of them have a 3D texture to them. More eggs. Oh, look, you can put eggs in here. So cute. And you can put flowers across it. Maybe not necessarily these, but some kind of flowers. Theirs are too big. I was afraid they'd be too big, but yep. Something like that. Got our little ladybugs. Little chick all curled up. Eggs. More spring flowers. Your basket. Scrapping with my chicks. Scrapping with my chicks. You could pop dot that. Or pop square that. Nice, lots of baskets. Oh, and here's a basket with eggs. Hold on a second. Got a little frame like that. You could do it landscape or you could do it portrait. It would work either way. And then where's our little basket with eggs? Too cute. Little hens and bees and flowers. Lots and lots of goodies. Our tiny little chicks there. And then we have got our punch. So decorative border punch sunflowers. And so this is a chain. So it's probably not going to make a frame. It's just going to be for a border. Or even individual. You could, you know, cut them apart. So let's look at that. Yeah, because it doesn't have the line over here. It's just got your lines here. So it would be for a border. And let us go ahead. I've got some scraps. You go grab a scrap one and just do a quick punch. But I'm thinking with this, you could do two colors and kind of offset them. But just for the sake of running one little thing through, give me 1 second and get a piece of scrap cardstock. I thought for sure I had a piece of canary scrap paper, but all my pieces are solid, you know, still 12 by 12, and I don't want to cut into it for to do this little sample here, but I did have a piece left over. This is the Delicious Memories papers. Aren't they cute? I made a little mini book out of those. I need to do a little tutorial on that. But anyway, what we're going to do, since this is a border maker, we're going to line the edge of this paper up with that edge. So we go ahead and slide that in, and then you want to get it all the way up against this back part here. And then just hold it down there, punch, and then move it so that it covers up. You can see that there. It's covering up all that blue. Let me make sure it's up against the edge there. Punch, move it down till it covers the design. You don't see any more blue. Punch, move it down, up against here. Punch, move it down. That little blip's there probably because I didn't have it lined up exactly. We can cut that off. And then punch. And that is our border. And it's not full because that wasn't a 12 by 12 page. Kind of looks cute with that too. I thought it might. So let's see. Let's put it. So now you can see what that border is going to make. Like I said, I just didn't get it exactly right there. You can just snip those pieces off. Actually, just pull right off. Isn't that pretty? I love it. So I can't wait to get making stuff with this. It's going to be a lot of fun. And if you don't have an advisor yet, I'll be happy to help you. I'll put my link below. Thanks for watching.